Good evening, everyone. I am Vishnu Ektab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, financial year 24 direct tax target may see 14 to 17% increase. Next, England trump Pakistan to win their second T20 World Cup. Next, capex support for states may continue. Next, delayed go first flights come under DGCA lens. Next, carbon credit revival a likely boon for developing nations. Next, deal activity has spiked in India, say Goldman MDs. Next, pricing mechanism for of patent drugs in works. Next, Big Four get inside mind of hacker to fix chinks in cyber armor. Then we comes to page number 4 on that government pharma firms working on pricing for off patent drugs. Next, Ambani enters a pitch to acquire FSG stake in Liverpool FC report. Next, growing retail space adds Reliance Logistic foray. The next, suitors bid for future assets eyeing groups warehousing logistic biz. Next, Byju's expect threefold revenue growth in financial year 2022. Next, Geotop Telco BMW races ahead of Toyota, Honda and TRA list. Next, Pay World aims to double GTV to rupees 22,000 crore in a year. Next, Singapore-based Semcrop was buys Vector for rupees 2,780 crore. Next, moving from BSIV to BSVI in 3 years was the most taxing job. Next, delayed go first flights comes under DGCA lens. Then we comes to page number 8 on that FPIs invest rupees 19,000 crore in equities in November on stoffer US inflation dollar. Next, anti-dumping probe on solar cells imports terminated. Next, rising interest rates to mute bond insurance financial year 23 ICRA. Next, new timelines in competition law to give biz certainty MCA. Next, Bank of Maharashtra tops list of PSBs in credit growth in quarter 2. Next, we want to do buyouts and pick minority stakes. Next, confidence of investors key to meet climate goals India. Next, PLI to container manufacturing in the works. Next, Green Fund SBI in talks with EIB for European 200 million. Next, FM should clear the air on pre-import matter. Then we comes to page number 10 on that load stamp duty high rents. Rich Indians pay top dollar for priciest digs overseas. Next, PM to leave for G20 meet today. Then next we comes to page number 11 on that the new parliament what to expect. Next, tech wave. Next, reservation about reservations. Next, the root of the conflict. Next, has BJP looks to capture SP strongholds. Then we comes to page number 12 on that India FTA biggest hope for UK to avert economic crisis. Next, oil will have to pay more in tax hunt. Next, 6 killed after vintage jets collide in the last. Next, Yanan curbs on Russia may extend beyond war. Next, iPhone App Store antitrust battle goes to appeals court. Next, Twitter Blue may be back next week, says Musk. Next, defying history, Democrats keep Senate in win for Biden. Next, blast on major stubble avenue kills 6. Next, at climate talks show progress cause for worry. The next G20 and evils global pandemic fund to avoid repeat of COVID. Next, policy quick FTX CEO mystery outflow. Then we comes to page number 13. It's an article section in that green yield multi. Then we comes to page number 13. It's an article section in that green yields. Next, muddling regulations must. Next, the routine air pollution crisis. Next, parsing recent assets price volatility. Then next, measuring civilization. Then we comes to page number 16 on that the article section in that the new wave of process automation is intelligent. Next, investors are betting big on Web3 startup. Next, I hope to attract a bunch of interim from IIT Bombay. Then we comes to page number 17 on that the greening of coal. Next, game changing rules for assets reconstruction companies. The next, India's climate standing. Then we comes to the page number 21 on that big shoes to fill for footwear firms has near term margin worries bite. Next, domestic investor holding in listed stocks hit new high. Next, Nika 5 to 1 bonus issue master stock of or dude. Next, Kynes Inox color in grey market premium. Next, Paytm delivery cynosure of all eyes. Then next, investors don't take a stand to gold ETF. Next, cautious of India despite looming global liquidity tailwind. Then we comes to page number 22. On that, insurer need not pay for VAT on unsold goods. Next, bio-diabetes plan for early coverage of this ailment. Next, we comes to the page number. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.